Today we're going to draw a rainbow. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to actually use a white crayon to draw the horizon line. The horizon line is going to be somewhere in the middle of your paper. I think the middle of my paper is about right here. Now, I know you can't see the white very well right now, but later when we paint over it, it's going to show up really good. So I need to draw it nice and hard. If you look carefully at the paper, you can kind of see the white crayon shining on it when it hits the light. Now I'm going to draw my rainbow. I'm paying careful attention to rainbow order, and I know that rainbow order starts with red. Now pick a crayon that you think looks red. Don't worry about reading the words, just use your eyes to pick that best color. Now I have a choice. I could make my rainbow come down this way or this way. I think I'm going to do this way today. And I'm going to draw one line and then another line right next to it. And then when I color in, it'll make my line thicker. And once again, I am pressing hard because when I paint over this, I want it to show up. So I'm trying not to break the crayon, but I'm still pressing pretty hard. And I'm drawing that line all the way down to where my horizon line is. Where that white line is, that's how I know where to stop. Now, the next color in the rainbow is orange. So I'm going to pick a color that I think looks like a good orange. Let's see, I think I choose this one. And then I'm going to draw another line kind of close to the red, just a little tiny space in between. And now this white space, I'm going to color all in with orange. Not leaving any white space. Just like that. I'm going to keep on making my stripes in rainbow order until my rainbow is finished. Now it's time to do a really important step, which is our raindrops. Our raindrops are going in the background, and I'm going to show you an example using a blue crayon so that you can see it. When the raindrops are falling to the ground, they're going to look like a dashed line. When they hit the ground, which is down here, they're going to make a puddle. So I'm going to draw one small oval, then a medium-sized oval, and then a large oval. And that makes it look like the raindrop is falling into a puddle and creating those ripples in the water. Now it's going to be a little bit harder to see when I do it on my real art project because I'm going to be using a white crayon. So I'm pressing hard and I'm going over each dash a few times, you can probably tell. Just making a straight dashed line all the way to the ground. Now when I get to the ground, I'm going to do one oval, two, and three. And once again, if you tilt your paper, you can kind of see a little bit that shiny white crayon if you pushed hard enough. You want your whole sky to be full of dashed lines and your whole ground to be full of oval puddles.